If you need to reset two-factor authentication on your Peacock account, follow these simple steps to regain access and secure your account. Step 1. Access the Peacock login page. Go to the Peacock streaming service website or open the app on your device. Click on the login option to enter your account credentials. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password recovery process, which may also allow you to reset your two-factor authentication settings. Step 3. Check your email. After clicking the Forgot Password link, check your registered email for password reset link. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password. Step 4. Log in with new password. Once you have reset your password, return to the login page and enter your email and new password. This should allow you to access your account. Step 5. Update two-factor authentication settings. After logging in, navigate to your account settings. Look for the Security or Two-Factor Authentication section to update or reset your authentication method as needed. By following these steps, you should be able to reset your two-factor authentication on Peacock and ensure your account remains secure.